GeoByte.
Hello friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss the solutions for previous questions which were given in different competitive exams on the topic of books and authors. Dear friends, all these problems we are going to discuss were already asked. Therefore, you treat each and every problem is equal important for any competitive exam. That exam may be either state level or central level. Therefore, my request is you please watch till the end of this video. Look at the very first problem. The first problem was asked like this in 2019 for SSC exam. The book Timeless Lakshman is based on life of which of the following person? Dear friends, remember the book Timeless Lakshman was based on the famous cartoonist R.K. Lakshman. Dear friends, remember it was released by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the date 18 December 2018. Once again, it was released by the book Timeless Lakshman was released by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 18 December 2018. Anyhow, the correct answer is R.K. Lakshman. I hope you got my point. Let us move to the next question. Look at the second problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. My Life, My Mission is an autobiography of, dear friends, remember, My Life, My Mission is an autobiography of Swami Ramdev, is popularly known as Baba Ramdev. You know, Baba Ramdev is an Indian yoga teacher and a businessman. And another important information is Baba Ramdev has been organizing and conducting large yoga camps since 2002. He has been organizing different yoga camps from 2002. And another important point is the book My Life, My Mission was co-authored by the senior journalist Uday Mahurkar. Anyhow, option A is absolutely correct. Option A is absolutely correct. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the third problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the writer of Becoming? Dear friends, remember the writer of Becoming is Michelle Obama. You know, Michelle Obama is the wife of ex-American President Barack Obama, and Barack Obama was the 44th President of United States of America from 2009 to 2017. Barack Obama is a member of Democratic Party. Obama was the first African American president of the United States. Anyhow, the Barack Obama wife is Michelle Obama, who wrote the book Becoming. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember this book was published on 13th November 2018 and it consists of the number of pages 448. I hope you clearly got the information. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the fourth problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who among the following is the writer of the novel The Room on the Roof? You are asked to decide the person who wrote the novel The Room of the Roof. Dear friends, remember the novel The Room of the Roof was written by Ruskin Bond at the age of 17. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Once again, the novel Room on the Roof was written by Ruskin Bond. Bond wrote the novel when he was in 17. It was originally published in 1956. It was originally published in 1956. Let us move to the another problem. Look at the fifth problem asked in 2019 also for SSC exam. Who is the author of the book The Bachelor of Arts? You are asked to decide the author for the book The Bachelor of Arts. Dear friends, remember the author for the book The Bachelor of Arts is R.K. Narayan, who is from India. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember originally it was published in the year 1937. It is the second book of a trilogy that begins with Swami and Friends and ends with English Teacher. Let me tell the same point. It is the second book of a trilogy that begins with Swami and Friends and ends with English Teacher. I hope you got my point. Let us move to the another problem. Look at the sixth problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam like this. Which of the following is the highest civilian award of India? You know, my dear friends, Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India and it is presenting by President of India. And you know, it was instituted on 2nd January 1954. Any person without distinction of race, occupation, position or sex is eligible for this award. Once again, any person without distinction of race, occupation, position or sex is eligible for this award. Dear friends, remember in the year 1954 there are three great people awarded with Bharat Ratna. They are C. Rajagopalachari, Gopalachari, Rajagopalachari, C.V. Raman, C.V. Raman, and Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan. And in the year 1955, again 3 people were awarded with Bharat Ratna. Their names are Bhagavan Das, M. Visvesvaraya, and Jawaharlal Nehru. Anyhow, the correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. Look at the 7th problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the author of Black Beauty? You are asked to decide the author for Black Beauty book. You know, dear friends, Anna Sewell is the author for the Black Beauty. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember, it was published on 24th November 1877. Once again, it was published on November 24th, 1877, and it has number of pages 255. The number of pages are 255. It was composed in the last year of her life. Once again, this book was composed in the last year of her life. That is about the Black Beauty author. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 8th problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam like this. Who wrote the book An Enquiry into the Nature? You are asked to decide the person who wrote the book An Enquiry into the Nature. Dear friends, remember, the author for that book is Adam Smith. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember, it was published on 9th March 1776. The book was published on the year 1776 in March 9th. This book touches the topics like division of labor, productivity, and free markets. Once again, the book An Enquiry into the Nature touches the topics like division of labor. Let me write the points. Division of labor, productivity, and the free markets. I hope you clearly got my point. Let us move to the 9th problem. Look at the 9th problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the writer of novel The White Tiger? Dear friends, remember the novel The White Tiger was written by Aravind Adiga, who is Indian author. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. This book was originally published in the year 2008. Once again, this book was originally published in the year 2008. Let us move to the 10th problem. Look at the 10th problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the author of the book Neel Darpan? You are asked to decide the author for the book Neel Darpan. Dear friends, remember the Dinabandhu Mitra was the author for the book Neel Darpan. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember it was first published in the year 1860. The drama was written in the context of social agitation in Bengal known as Indigo Revolt. Once again, let me repeat the same point. This point is very important. The drama was written in the context of social agitation in Bengal known as Indigo Revolt. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 11th problem. Was also asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Broom and Groom book is co-authored by, once again, Broom and Groom book is co-authored by, dear friends, remember, Kiran Bedi and Pawan Chowdhury. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Once again, Broom and Groom book is co-authored by Kiran Bedi and Pawan Chowdhury, and it was originally published on 1st August 2010. It was published in the year 2010 on the date 1st August. Dear friends, remember this book became a bestseller within 6 months of its launching. I hope you clearly got my point. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 12th problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. The book War and Peace is written by, dear friends, remember the book War and Peace is written by the Russian author named as Leo Tolstoy. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember first it was published serially, then published the entire book in the year 1869. Let me repeat the same point because this point is very important. First it was published serially, then published as the entire book in the year 1869. Dear friends, remember he won the Nobel Peace Prize in 3 years, namely 1901, 1902 and 1909. In these 3 years, he won Nobel Peace Prize. I hope you clearly got my point. Let us move to the another problem. Look at the next problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Book A Brief History of Time is written by, dear friends, remember, A Brief History of Time covers from the Big Bang to black holes is a book on theoretical cosmology by Stephen Hawking. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. It means A Brief History of Time, that book was written by Stephen Hawking. Dear friends, remember, Stephen Hawking is an English physicist originally published. That book was originally published in the year 1988. I hope you clearly got the point. Let us move to the another problem. Look at the problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the writer of the book Thoughts on Pakistan? Dear friends, remember, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was written the book Thoughts on Pakistan. You know, this is the one of the epics from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. It was originally published in the year 1945. Once again, it was originally published in the year 1945. It explains the dynamics of Hindu Mahasabha and Muslim League. Once again, that book explains the dynamics of Hindu Mahasabha and Muslim League. Dear friends, remember, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a former Minister of Law and Justice of India. Bhim Rao, let me write it completely. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Dear friends, remember, he was an Indian jurist, economist, politician, and social reformer. Anyhow, the author for the book Thoughts on the Pakistan is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B is absolutely correct. Let's go for the next problem. Look at the 15th problem asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the writer of Revolution 2020? Dear friends, remember, the Revolution 2020 was written by Indian author called Chetan Bhagavat. Therefore, option A is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember, the Revolution 2020 was originally published in the year 2011. Once again, the Revolution 2020 was originally published in the year 2011. Dear friends, one more important point is he was included in Time magazine's list of world's 100 most influential people in 2010. Let me write that point. He was included, very, very important point. He was included in Time magazine's list of world's 100 most influential people in 2010. This point is very very important about this author. I hope you clearly got my point. Let us move to the next problem. Look at the 16th question. Who is the writer of the book The Rights of Man? Dear friends, remember the author for the book The Rights of the Man is Thomas Paine. Therefore, option D is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember it was published in the year 1791. It was published in the year 1791, and Thomas Paine was a British American political activist and philosopher. Anyhow, The Rights of Men book was written by Thomas Paine. Option D is absolutely correct. Let us move to the next query. Look at the 17th query given in 2015 for BSSC. Who has written Panchatantra? Dear friends, remember Panchatantra means 5 books. Let me write that point. Panchatantra means 5 books. Dear friends, remember the Panchatantra was written by a Hindu scholar, Vishnu Sharma. Therefore, option B is absolutely correct. And another important information regarding this Panchatantra is the exact period of the composition of Panchatantra is not known and is varying from the estimation varies from 1200 BCE to 300 CE, but exact period no one knows. I hope you clearly got my point. Let us go for the 18th query. Look at the next question asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Who is the author of The Idea of India? Dear friends, remember The Idea of India is a 1997 non-fiction book by Sunil Khilnani. Let me write that point, important point. The idea of India is a 1977 non-fiction book by Sunil Khilnani. Sunil Khilnani. He is Indian author. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember it describes the economical and political history of India. Once again, it describes the economical and political history of India. And one more important point, let me write that point. This book is also noted for its treatment of the personality and actions of Jawaharlal Nehru. This book is also noted for its treatment of the personality and actions of Jawaharlal Nehru. I hope you clearly got my point. Here the answer is option C, Sunil Khilnani. Let us move to the next query. Look at the 19th question asked in 2019 for SSC exam. Which book won Golden Man Booker Prize in 2018? Dear friends, remember the book Patient. The English Patient won Golden Man Booker Prize in 2018. Therefore, option C is absolutely correct. Dear friends, remember it was about wartime love story. Let me write that point. It was about wartime love story. Let us go for the last question. Look at the last question asked in 2011 for BPSC exam. What is the name of Kalhana's book? Dear friends, remember Rajatarangini is the name of Kalhana's book. Dear friends, remember Rajatarangini means River of Kings. River of Kings. Dear friends, remember it was written in Sanskrit. Let me write that point. It was written, important information. It was written in Sanskrit by Kashmiri historian Kalhana in the 12th century. Dear friends, remember this work consists of very, very important point, 7,826 verses, which are divided into 8 books called Tarangas. Tarangas means let me write it clearly. Tarangas means waves. Anyhow, the correct answer is option D, Rajatarangani. Dear friends, with this problem, I am concluding this video. In the next video, I will take some more questions which were already given in different competitive exams. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much. Have a great day.
GeoByte.